now moving from the 70s, I'll have Mr. Parikh to introduce himself next. He'll be also doing a breakout session, so you'll be able to get a hold on his journey better. But yes, Mr. Nayan Parikh.
Hi guys, PGP 81. Worked in industries for about 15 years and doing my own consultancy for last 25 years. And more I would say for that breakout session to talk about the consultancy that I do. Raghu also was the one who inspired me to write cases for the institute, which I have written with him, and therefore have pleasure of coming to the institute to teach once in a while and to various other institutes and educational establishments where I am either on the board of governors or teaching or advisor. So kind of, very live with educational institutes and development there, and very happy. I think some of the happiest moments are when I am in the class with young, bright minds, including at IIM Ahmedabad. Have been fortunate to have been have led the alumni chapter here, I think for a few years. And that was kind of very happy years when we could introduce some of the changes. Like I think study circle we started, and something which kind of, is going on for a very long time, or the constitution for the local chapter that we started in our time, which has now, I think, formalized so well. So it's kind of very satisfying to do all that. And I think also being consultant means that you keep learning all the time, and you keep earning much more than what you thought you would earn. And I think being with the institute, teaching, writing, speaking on these kind of occasions, being author. So, I think being a consultant gives you so much of freedom and so much of all that you seek in life and more. And I'll talk about that more, but I think I would be, again, as everybody says, like I'm not too close to the institute, but institute is too close to my heart. So all of you are welcome to come, travel a little distance, but come and be with us for a chat, for food for thought, for food for mind, for food for body. And it's always a pleasure to kind of renew connections with IIM Ahmedabad. On behalf of the chapter and all of us, I welcome all PGP1s to the institute. I think you are going to have tremendous learning at the institute. And I consider that I was born once when I was physically born, and second when I came to the institute and I became a new person. I'm sure all of you would find your new identity, your new being in these 2 years that you are at the institute. In that 2 years journey, wherever, if you think any of us can add value, if I can add any value, it would be a privilege. Welcome and thank you. At IIM Ahmedabad. And he told me that please come there and make this presentation about roads development in Madhya Pradesh. I went there, and after the presentation, the chief minister asked me कि सिर्फ तुम advise कर सकते हो या कर भी सकते हो जो दिखाया वो. वैसे नहीं साहब, मैं तो कर सकता हूँ, I would want to do it. तो he says तुमको क्या मुझसे चाहिए वो बताओ, मुझे वो चाहिए जो तुमने presentation में बताया है. I want that the roads happen by the private sector, and हम लोगों को पैसा न डालना पड़े, कम से कम डालना पड़े, और अच्छी सड़क बने और अच्छी मेंटेन हो. And Madhya Pradesh में it has been a challenge for a long time. Any poor state, that was a challenge. This was the beginning of PPP projects in infrastructure. And I told him I'll be able to do it. And he says, "पर करके दिखाओ." Then I said that, he says, "तुम advisor कल से और करने लगो ये काम." And that is when I actually became part of two chief ministers in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, their advisor for infrastructure development. Similarly, I was chairman of Textiles Committee of Government of India to actually talk about textiles all across the globe, to talk about textiles and vision. So I feel that as a consultant, please understand that your task is not to just advise and tell them. If you do that, there is some money to make, but that is breadcrumbs. If you really want to earn a lot, learn a lot, then you need to do that. And that is where I think the real challenge comes, because that is not talking, that is doing it. And that also gives us more satisfaction, because वो कहते हैं ना कभी-कभी, people who can do, and people who can't do, teach. So I think we need to do both. कैसे करना वो बता भी सकते हैं, पर आप हट जाओ तो करके दिखा भी सकते हैं. So I think once you do that, That is what gives you conviction to ask for the fees that you demand. And he would be more than happy to give you that fees. Otherwise, for advice, people give limited fees. Then I think finance is one more kind of area that I am working on. And I would urge all of you to do that also. I think it is very important to understand money and how it works. And all of us work so hard. And we consider hard work as a virtue. But we don't focus on our money working for us. And most of the time when I tell it to students or young people, they say, हमारे पास पैसे ही कहाँ है ज़्यादा? I said, जिसके पास कम पैसे हैं, उसको तो और भी ज़रूरत है अपने हर पैसे को काम पे लगाने. So when every day morning you get ready and go for work, every day morning and evening and for 24 hours, is your money making money? And if it is your money which is not working hard, you would need to work hard for rest of your lives. Now the interest rates are dropping and situation विदेश की तरह होने वाली है कि आदमी को मरते दम तक काम करना पड़ेगा because you don't get good return on your money, not in at least bank deposit or pure vanilla options. In that case, are you the person who understands money? Can you make your money work for you? And I think my first objective was that my passive income should be more than my active income. Which means that my money should make more money for me than me. क्योंकि मैं कब तक काम करूँगा? Why? I would like to play. I would like to do some marathon. I would like to cycle. I would like to be with my friends. I would like to do so many things in my life. And as a consultant, also learn to be independent. That with consultancy comes independence. You are almost your own boss. Even in the jobs that I was doing, I had that situation where I felt that I can do my boss's job. And I somehow felt that I would do better than him. Now that meant that in 15 years, I changed some 4 or 5 jobs because, soon with this kind of attitude that you think कि पैसे आपको कम मिल रहे हैं और आप ज़्यादा जानते हैं and that you can do the boss's job better. I think that kind of gets you into challenges. And that is what also pushed me towards my own entrepreneurship. So I feel that in making your money work, and that is what also helped me, that मैं कुछ भी नहीं करूँगा, पैसे तो अपना हो ही जाएंगे because my money has started working for me. And from the day one, it has started working. And there, can you take risks? Can you understand money? Can you get it back in time? Can you make higher return on that? I think learning all these is part of consultancy. And consultancy for me is not just work. It is for me a lifestyle. And therefore, consultancy needs to be subservient to my lifestyle. What I want to do in life is not just be a consultant, but live a life that I want to live. Live a life that is of my dreams. And in doing that, consultancy plays a huge role because it creates for me financial abundance. It creates for me where I have time to do what I want to do, where I only work with people that I enjoy working with them. So it gives me all that freedom of saying no wherever I don't feel like working. With people that I don't feel like working, I don't work. So I wish all of you to have that kind of independence where you have lots of money. Otherwise, as professional, when you have lots of money, you don't have time. Or when you have lots of time, you don't have money. I wish that you have both of them and that you keep learning and you keep earning much more than what you thought you would earn, because that is what happened to me when I actually started this consultancy. My best wishes. And I would talk more about all these in question answer session. Over to my colleague Rishiraj for him to share his experiences. And then I think we would open it for question answer session.